All right, so here's the next one. Having one shapewear solves all problems. No. Because depending on what type of woman you are, and depending on your body shape, your body measurements, um, it really doesn't solve anything. Like I mentioned before, I am someone who eats a lot of sugar that time in a month. So my stomach is a little pudgy for some. So I might just get like the underwear type of, hope you guys can see it. I might get something like this. As to someone else, their breasts and their stomach may be a problem. So they may get something like this. It just all depends on the woman. There are so many different variations of shapewear. I'm about to say swimwear. There's so many different variations of shapewear. You just need to know what problem you are solving, which a lot of people don't want to sit down and come to the realization, but you need to know what problem you want to solve and then seek which shapewear will resolve that problem. Because there are one where there's like a bikini on one side, and then you have half the leg with a compression, like the tightness of the shapewear, because you have a high slit. Like, again, you need to know what problem you are having so that you can select which shapewear to get or to wear, right?